Here we come to the elevator at the Faske building in downtown Brenham, Texas. You better not tell me this is modded. James has recorded this elevator before, and that certificate plaque fell off, so they put it right there. This is a small, tiny elevator. Oh, yes, yes, it's original. It's original. So glad I found this elevator. Here's your non-88 phone. All right, let's see how well we're able to hear this motor over the fan. There we go. So worth checking out. We're gonna let this thing. Are you coming up, ma'am?
No.
Oh, okay. Get a detailed cavity, and we're gonna get off at 1. This is worth checking out. This was installed in 1973. I'm not gonna take too much rides on this elevator, but these are your fixtures. That button's gotta be, they replaced the basement button for some reason. This right here is your added on fire service. So they replaced the call button on 1. But I assume they left everything original. Anyways, let's go back up in there. This was worth checking out. Let's test out the bumper. All right, there it goes, and that's it.